welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. If you're returning, welcome back. I'll open this vlog, but I have no plans. I just came back. It's a Friday. I'm done working. I miss my baby so much. I am going to leave very soon, go home. Not sure if I'm gonna pick him up and then we come back home, we'll spend the weekend together, or I will sleep over at home and then we come back tomorrow. I was planning for a Saturday out just to take him to some place that has animals, but that's not confirmed yet and I doubt that it's gonna happen. So I have that carrot cake / loaf mixer and I put it outside. In the week I made myself a loaf. I could only eat half and then I just had to dispose the other half because it's been here long, and I put that one outside so I can take it home with me when I get home. They are actually load shedding now, but by the time I get there they'll probably be off load shedding or just off load shedding, and I will be having load shedding when I leave. So when I get home, if I decide to come back, I'll first need to bake for my mom and leave when I'm done. I quickly want to show you something. I quickly went to the mall. I had to go help a friend out. She needed something for her son, so then I also needed something at Pep that I saw yesterday when I was at the mall. I ended up buying this toy at Pep. Let me just do this. This is I don't know, is it a car? Whatever the toy is, it comes with the remote. They actually have a lot of toys that have this remote control, and I thought let me just buy one and see, because 30 rand, it's too good to be through. Then I ended up getting him the Spider-Man. We can use this for water, we can use this for smoothie. It was 35 rand. And then what I actually was at the mall for, which I saw yesterday and I don't know why I didn't buy it. I'm trying to open it. I'm using one hand and the hand gets tied very quickly. It's this ornament, very cute. I have two plans for it. One, if you look here where this tree is at, so next week or in 2 weeks time I'm getting a couch, a single-seater couch, which is going to be where the tree is. I guess I'm going to have to move it again. I'm planning to buy that armchair, and I'm going to put it in here next to the mirror, and on that armchair I'm planning to put this with maybe like candles, or else if not, I still need to redecorate my kitchen shelves. I'm just not happy with how they look now. They're really not. Okay, let me flip the camera. I just quickly want to show you. Okay, so let me put this recipe book back here. I was actually looking through for recipes. It does have a lot of nice and easy things to make. I bought this book I think a year ago, yes, at home. I think the original price, I definitely didn't pay the original price. It's 600 rand, and I think I paid 300 rand, if not 250. So it's to have that recipe book and put this here and put in flowers. I need to get rid of this here. I need to put it inside the cupboard. I don't like it here, even though it's actually easier to keep it here, but no. Then if I put it there, that's how I'm trying to keep the countertops like clean, minimal. I just don't like the idea of having everything on top of the counter, because yeah, so I was saying, wait, let me zoom out. I was saying, when it comes to using the color white, for me, if I use the color white for anything, the first thing that comes into mind is clean. So in my kitchen, my cupboards are white, my top is white, most of my appliances are black, but I just don't like that. I do have things on the countertop only because I don't have enough or too much space in my cupboard, so I don't have a choice. But if it was up to me, clean. Not even the kettle. I just, maybe a coffee machine. Yes, I can do the coffee machine, but clean makes a lot of sense for me in the kitchen. Even lounge, if I decide to stick to like your light colors, gray, white, it's just better for me to keep it clean, and not just clean in terms of making sure it's tied up, but also in terms of making sure your decor is just minimal. It's just neatly and nicely put together. So that's the whole point. And in here, I did mention this is the mirror, so it's more to the front now. I push it a bit back, and here, just here, I'm gonna have that armrest, and then where the window is at, I'm gonna have the my other couch, which I'm getting next week or in 2 weeks time, but before Christmas. And then okay, let me get going. I still need to get home and put some of my clothes in the washing machine. I'm not gonna wait for them. I will leave. I just need to finish this. So on my way back, there's actually certain places that have nice plants outside here in the estate, not my complex. So I drove around with the hope that I can grab a few and just put them in this new vase. But yeah, I went to check it out, and as I was touching it, it's actually something that I would take, but then I thought these plants are making the estate look nice. I don't think I'm supposed to do what I'm thinking of doing, so I ended up leaving them and deciding that I must just buy myself a bunch of flowers if that's what I want. Hey guys, I'm actually parked outside at home, but before I go in, I want to show you a few things that I got. I passed by Access Park. Yeah, I showed you these ones, and I popped in at the Vital store. They are still having a Black Friday special, and I think I'm trying this. I want to try this. It's all smoky. It can be used as a marinade, basting, sauce dip. I want to try it, and I think it was 20 rand. I bought these at a different shop, 15 rand. I got myself one packet of rice cakes. I got 2 crisps, one of this, and I got 3 of these, 2 different flavors. This creamy cheese and cheese and chive, I think. Cheese and chive. So it's all these packets plus this. I think I probably paid 60, almost 70 rand. Then I did mention that I still need to buy a gift for my son, and I was so confused because that guy, it's so difficult to get boys toys. They're very limited, and also considering that I don't like buying guns for my son, so that excludes guns. Now I had to like settle for this Spider-Man, which is bigger. I actually wanted to buy him the same Spider-Man that I bought him. I'm trying to get something. The same Spider-Man I bought him, which is a Spider-Man and Batman for 40 rand. But I was like, it's gonna be the same thing. So I bought this one. This was 38 rand. And then lastly, I thought, let me just get this thing, bowling, which we're gonna use at home. I'm excited for this one. We can play using these together. I paid 85. Yeah, I paid 85 rand. So I think for both I paid just less than 120. So for all of these things I paid almost 200 rand, if not like 200 rand certain. Yeah, that's everything that I got. And here at the back I have a table and a chair for him. He's gonna be spending most of his December here with my mom, so that's why I bought these here, and then we'll just move them in Jan when he's back at school. Let me get inside and we will chat. I'm gonna have to hide the Spider-Man, or else he is just going to unbox it. But he's not here yet. He's with his dad, so he's probably gonna come. Yeah, he's probably gonna come back now.
No.
For Christmas tree.
Oh.
It's not for
No. No.
Put it back. Put it back. Wait. Wait for mommy to finish. Ne? Wait. Stop counting. Wait. Wait. Mama's gonna finish now. Ne?
2,
3, 4, 5. Yay! Go fix it. Come stand here. Come stand here. Come stand here. Yes.
No.
Okay, wait, mommy put all of them back, ne?
Yes.
Yay!
No. Butter. Butter.
Yay! Hmm? Yay!
Sola. Gogo. Itu baca apa? Apa?
Kakhulu kaloku uyabona ingaphezu kwaleya yeleka yam lapha.
Anga, come mama help you with the bag. Yes. Come, let's put bag. Cool kid. It's a new day. I'm only picking up the camera now. It's 5 to 7. It was a very hectic work day, but I finished working at 5, went to fetch my baby from school and came back, cleaned my kitchen. I just need to fold and put away washing, which was done at home. So today it's a Tuesday. Last week Thursday, if not Friday, and a technician came in from D5 because my washing machine is leaking. So the guy came in and he checked the machine and he confirmed that it is the drum that is broken. So he basically had to place an order for a new drum, which he came yesterday on Monday with it. I think it was here on Thursday, and then he came again yesterday on Monday in the morning to come and replace or change the drum. But oh well, he did that. As you saw on the clips before, he did that, and I think it took them almost 2 hours because they had to like disassemble the machine. So they finished. I was having load shedding at 2, and they finished I think 10 past, if not 2:15, which was into load shedding. So when they were done, we couldn't test the machine, and I trusted, because those guys are from D5, I trusted that the machine's working. Decided to go to gym. Came back from gym, continued with my day, and I think around 6-7 I then decided, okay, let me just, because we don't really have dirty clothes, so I decided, okay, let me just Gugu's gonna take you to the bathroom. So I then decided to put clothes in the washing machine to test it. So I'm chilling, watching TV, and then the next thing I hear, it's a sound. So the sound, it's as if there's a tap open. So I jumped and went to go check. It's water. And one thing I hate about this, if they're going to come and fix and go and come and fix and go, then I must do the test. The one thing I hate about this is the fact that the water is actually going to damage my cupboards. So next time when they come, they actually need to do this whole thing on my balcony and then test there. I'm going to give them an extent. They won't be able to test because it needs to be connected to the plumbing. But they have to be here to test. So after I was so angry, then I sent that guy a WhatsApp message, and I sent him videos. I just hope that you guys will be able to. You guys can't see, but I basically sent him videos showing him the water as proof. And then shame, he replied, well, I sent them. This happened when? Yesterday. It happened yesterday, 7:30. I sent him the videos, but I wasn't expecting him to reply because I know it's outside working hours and I would do the same and not reply. And then I said, it's best you come pick the machine tomorrow. Shame, in the morning he replied, I'm sorry, I'll let you know when I come, then I will have a look at it, maybe it's this or that. He kept on apologizing, but okay, then he didn't come today, so I'm not sure. I'm going to do another follow-up tomorrow just to understand what's happening. But yeah, we still don't have a machine. Tomorrow it's Wednesday. It's my son's last day at school. So tomorrow it's my son's last day at school. Tomorrow it's Wednesday, and they're having a Christmas party. This morning I took him to school with his gift because they are expected to have their own gifts which they will unwrap in class. parents are expected to buy, so I did that. And I honestly just didn't know. I did tell you guys that I bought him a Spider-Man. I wrapped that. He also has a Spider-Man cap, which is not new, but it's like one of the most recent purchased items for him. So I just put in that because I know he gets excited when he sees Spider-Man in anything. So I put in that Spider-Man toy and the Spider-Man cap to school. So now I just want to close off this vlog, but before I close it off, I just want to show you the spoon that I bought. Oh, well, not that I bought now, this spoon that I love so much, and I ended up buying another one. This is I bought this one at Le Creuset. I think it was on sale. I think I paid probably just less than 150, if not 150. It's the best thing. It's the best. I love it so much for my non-stick pans. I ended up using it in everything. So then the other day at Crazy Store, I saw that they had the same, and today I decided to just buy there. So this one's from Le Creuset, and I bought this blue one. They had blue and cream white. I saw from here that you can actually use it to, like, as an egg lifter. Then I tried it when I was making an egg. Actually, it does work. So 2 in 1. I bought the second one. So these are the things that you can do with it: scraping, serving, and I guess it's scraping a non-stick, mixing, stirring, lifting egg, removable head for dishwash. Oh yeah, that's another thing I'll show you quickly. This is what they mean by removable. You can take it out. I do the same when I wash it, and you take it out, you put it back in. And then the last one, it's built-in rest. I quickly want to show you what they mean by that. So there's this. If you look at it from this side, there is this part which is a bit higher, and when you put it down, the actual spoon is not on the countertop because this is a spoon rest kind of thing. I do have a spoon rest. Too lazy to take out the spoon rest. So yeah, and my egg lifter is actually very old, so I might just throw it away and use this as an egg lifter. Tomorrow I'm actually going to try lifting a pancake, and if it does work, because I also use my egg lifter for pancakes, if it does, so if it will be able to lift the pancake, then I'll just throw the old one away, or else I must just buy a new one. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you guys, and I do hope that you have enjoyed the vlog, and thank you so much to all those that have subscribed, and those that have not, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.